Hello, ladies and gentlemen, to Step 11. We open our Step 11 file. We added all dimensions of our building. Now we want to make some modifications of our wall construction and wall joints. So we zoom in on the left bottom side of our building. We select our wall, click on Edit Type. Select here Structure, Edit. Now we want to add another layer. Click on Insert and we move that layer down. We change the function of our second layer to thermal air layer and the material category to air barrier. Now we want to change the thickness of our air barrier to 5 centimeters. So that's fine. And now we also like to modify our first layer. We want to assign a new material. We click on the dots and select wood timber. Now we want to change the thickness to 2 centimeters. And we also like to edit our wraps. In our default wrapping section, we change the properties to both. And at end, we change the properties to exterior. On the left side, you see the changes. Now we like to demark our wrapping for the air barrier. We are done with the modification of our wall. We click on OK. And again OK. On the left side, you see now the changes. Now we like to add some door tags. We move up. And in our Annotate tab, we select here by category. We check if leader is demarked. And we select our door here. And you see our keynotes have been created. So if you want to do this faster, there's also the possibility to use the Tag All tool. We select here door tags, click on OK, and now all of our door tags have been placed. Next, we like to create the door schedule. We switch in our View tab, select here Schedules, click on Schedule and Quantities. We select category Door, add type, level, mark, height and width to our schedule. We can select mark and move this selection up. Now we click on OK. We can edit the layout of our schedule at any time, so we select sorting and grouping. Now we want to sort our schedule by the level our doors are placed in. So sort by level. Click here header and blank line. Now we like to tile our windows. We switch into the View tab and select here Tile. We zoom to our door 1. We change now schedule the width to 3 meters. And we also want to change the element type of our second door to 80 centimeters times 2.1 meters. So here you can see all changements have been applied to our project. So this is one possibility to apply changes to a project over the schedule. Now we want to do our first section. We close our schedule and maximize our third level view. We use the Set A shortcut to fit our view. In our View tab, we select here Section and we draw a horizontal line. And now you see in our project browser on the left side, a new view category has been created. So we click Section 1. The section has been created very fast because all the information has been taken from our 3D model. Now we want to modify our section. So we use our tile window tool, WT shortcut, and the Set A to fit our views. We select our section. Now we want to switch the direction of our section. And here you see all changes have been automatically applied. We can also change the view range with the blue triangles. And we also have the possibility to split our section line. Click on split segment. Now we click on the line and move a little bit down because we also want to see our stairs in our section. Here you see everything looks perfectly. Thank you very much for watching and we hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back for the next step.